be showing you how you can access your accessory manuals within Repetrel. So let's say you're working with your current head or your hop head, something might break or something's going wrong, you don't really know. You gotta access your manual, see what part might be broken, ask for repairs, ask for replacement. All good. Could look through your file explorer, see where it's at. It takes too long, it's inconvenient. We didn't want you to be doing that. Come up here to help. Accessory manuals. They give you a list of all the accessories that we have accessed. They're already preloaded. Say you're working with an MK1 250 manual. Boom, click it, opens up in the PDF viewer. You can scroll down over here, left click. You can zoom in and out with a toggle wheel on your mouse. Come down here to the very bottom if you want to see the part pieces, the whole schematic of the design of it. Anything you need to replace, or you need to say that, okay, this is the part that's broken, what do I do about it, how do I fix it? Look up here so you can communicate with us. Just come down here for the full index of what they are called, and the verbiage of it, and any other materials that may be working with. So now, that's not all. We want to make sure that you can add your own manuals in your own PDFs if you want to use something that's specific for your lab or your work group. So what you can come over here is go to the file that you're accessing. We're going to go to Repetrel Manuals Accessories. And here are all the manuals that you were just accessing, looking at. The MK1250 manuals right there. Now I want to add my own. Right now I have this little hyperlink list. It has a bunch of videos and tutorials discussing how to work these accessories, how to work specific materials. I want to have that in the list. So I copied it over here. Paste. There you go, hyperlinks, DOC. And we can do this. This will auto-populate directly into the accessory manuals. Hyperlinks, DOC. Perfect, so it's right there. Let's say we've decided that's out of date. We really need to get that one out of there. It's not working anymore. Over here. Delete it. It's gone. And then we can come back here and check it. Boom, all gone, all's well. Put in a new file if you want, and do anything else you want to do. Hope this is helpful. Keep working with Hyrel.